Shop online, order from anywhere. We will deliver in Jamaica, day or night. No matter where you are, near or far. Your package take flight just like a shooting star.
Have your package ready.
Or pricing like a Christmas song, simple and clear. It won't take long.
If your package exceeds £10, you can get the rate by using our shipping calculator.
Pay for what you ship, not a wrong bit. In a perfect proportion of the package, you need to send along. Sending a small or big item, no need to fret. Check the cost online. Affordable rates the Jamaican ways.
8 times more expensive.
8 times?
Yes.
You hear that? They are 8 times more expensive than us. Tell me you're going to tell everyone about this.
Yes, absolutely.
For you, we have got it planned. My friend with us, you are on a winning line. This Christmas, let love truly shine. No distance should ever draw a line. Send something back home from afar to Jamaica. The finest gift for your family, so dear. This Christmas with Island Wide Express, have no fear.